Today is Thursday, December 8, 2:35 Eastern Time, 2:35 p.m. This is your disclosure CFTC requirement. Let's look what happened today. Somewhere around 11:30, 12 o'clock today, we nailed all the targets. The CL 540, the target is 500, but when the market is going to your direction, it's going to stay on that trade. This is an example on the ES. We had 800 on the last trade, nailed $300 more. So even if you have your daily target 500, it's not going to stop at 500. If the market go into your direction, it's going to stay on that trade and it's going to make money. On the NASDAQ, we got $510, and then you got the YM 510, and it is over on the YM. What has really caught my attention today is the Treasury bond, and we ran it 3 times. When you see, this is a lot of traders, they don't recognize that if you want to have your $1,000 target, does not mean it takes 5 trades to make, let's say, 500. Does not mean 10 trades is going to make the 1,000. It could be, if you want to nail 5 trades, gets you 500. It could be the 1,000 might take 15 trades, and the reason is it's not going to be just winning. It's going to be losing and winning. And if the market going a little bit sideways and there is no spike in the market, maybe it's going to pull your auto trades profit back. So I find it is very easy. As an example, if we have the CL right now, we can right click on the CL. Once it hit the 500, and then you reload your script, your auto trade by clicking and reload, and you click yes, and then you reset it, and then go for another 500. So when the market, like today, it is spiking and made you profit immediately, then you can reload it and go for another 500 and another 500 and another 500. Once you start seeing this auto trade is struggling to make the last 500, maybe you need to stop it and call it off for today. And this is also an advantage for a guy, which most of the auto traders, they don't want to listen, most of them. And if you don't have experience in the market, that will be, whether you are using our auto trade or somebody else auto trade, is very advisable to take small pieces, and it's much better than to go ahead and go to take 3 lots or 4 lots and then get yourself in trouble and all that. So we ran 3 times on the 30-year Treasury bond, and the same story here. All of them, all targets hit before 12 o'clock. There is only the ES was a bit struggling on a scalper, but on the CL, again, 640, 525 on the ES, and then 540 on the NASDAQ, and the YM still need 1 more trade to close the daily target. So you can see how the YM still also, this is the only market was a little bit struggling today. And when you see struggling in a certain market, maybe it's not very brilliant to go ahead and reload the strategy when you see the strategy is struggling. And then you have the 2 rounds on the 30-year Treasury bond, and it was across the board. All targets hit on all the charts and all different charts, even the range, and all of them they got hit. But we use, on the video, we only use 1 minute or 150 ticks. And here is the secret about it, that how many, and this is the question, how many auto trades can trade 1 minute? Because if in auto trade, we can go and tweak everything, rank a bar, range, a line break, I don't know, there is all kind of weird strategies. But if the auto trade cannot make money on the 1 minute, then yes, maybe you need to find an alternative. But the 1 minute on an auto trade reveal the stability on that auto trade without a doubt. All this nonsense, line break, range, they are very respectable bars and everything, but the testing has to be on 1 minute. The testing to magnify any auto trade is not based on back testing, because we will be covering that, and we have covered that. Back testing is not the same as a result with a live market on 1 minute. And for the last 2 years, we've been using 1 minute and 150 ticks, not one day range bar, another day Renko bar, another day line break. We don't do that. And here is the problem is, how can you line up 1 minute chart on all the instruments and they can hit the target? Not about one trade. Let me go ahead. There is a lot of traders asking about NT8 and NT7, and we are almost 75% ready. To our members have not got the A and a B and a C scalper, they are ready, rolling, and we will be covering that very soon on a video with the scalper A and B and C, and I love it. I know NT8 now is still a new, and there is a few bugs in there, but I tell you what, I find stability. I find also on the A and a B and a C, there is much more profit even than the NinjaTrade 7. I love the smoothness in it. Of course, maybe there is a few bugs left on the NT8. They are working on it, but I love what I'm looking at, and I love NT8, despite a little aggravation here and there. But I like the stability, and a lot of traders asking, new customers asking, are we getting the NT7 or NT8? This is a perfect time, and this is, we never publicly went on a special offer, never. In the last 6-7 years, we never done any offer. But today I want to announce it. It is a perfect timing, because now we got the next generation out in a couple days. We have the institutional out next week, and we are almost there, and we're gonna be completely staying on NT8. Right now, it is one special offer because of the timing, and we are in the transition between NinjaTrade 7 and NinjaTrade 8. All the new customers right now, they will be entitled to 2 licenses, one for NT7, one for NT8. So you don't have to be confusing yourself. Am I getting the A scalper, B scalper on a 7 or 8? You will get both. And some traders we have, they want to use NinjaTrade 7 until New Year Eve, and some traders, they are already loving the NT8, and they are completely now loyal to NT8, and that it is different from one trader to another. So on the system also, right now you will be getting the swing trading from the market analyzer. This is the swing trading that will be included in the package, but the swing trading, comes with 3 different automated trade. It's the same signal entry, but it comes with 2 different ATM and a fully automated, and you can get that in your package as well. And we have the trading panel coming out next week, so that will be perfect timing to get in with Best Pro Trade. For the NT8 right now on the swing trading, you can see what is right now in those market. And you can see we have one target on the EMD hit, and this is right now. It's not daily results. This is in the trade right now, and you can see the entry is 96.4, and then 91 was the target. 65 ticks, 650, and here's your target. This is a sell order on the ES, and we just had one on the way up, made 320. and now 2247.50, and target hit, nailed the 20 ticks. And now we have also the DAX 612 on that trade. And then we have 49 ticks on the NASDAQ, YM 28 ticks, 7 ticks on the ZN, and 51 ticks on the CL. And then ZB, I love the 30-year Treasury bond on the A and a B scalper, also on the NinjaTrader. It did the same. By the way, it's the same result happened on NT8, and even a little bit better. And then the gold is nothing on the gold right now. Total of ticks so far, and all this market analyzer is based on one contract only, and they are based on 1 minute. And the total is 280 ticks, and the results is right there. And here is your Forex for the Forex lover. I personally, as I said, and everybody knows that I only trade the euro dollar. This is the market I really comprehend. I'm not sure about the Japanese. I have no integration with their food or anything else, so I don't know anything about the Japanese, but I know how to trade euro dollar. And what is really interesting today for the stock lover, today we have a really I don't know, I own a few stocks, but today, if you see, Goldman earlier today had a really over 50 ticks on the previous signal. A buy signal had over 50 ticks, but now got a new sell signal. That's very fine. JP Morgan is 180, and then we have Disneyland hit 55 ticks. This is a very, very good, and all those based on 1 minute. And also, as it is a very nice portfolio on the stocks. And today it hit a lot of good stocks on. Really, I like that. So this is all what we have right now, guys. And I don't want to make it long, but for the traders, try to come into the webinars on Tuesday. We have an open door webinar, and that offer, the ones we are talking about, you will be getting both of licenses and the NT8 and the scalpers, and all the other ones. The offer will stand until we are completely finished with NT8, and once we are NT8 is done, we're no longer gonna be selling licenses to NT7. We're gonna go full speed on NT8, but you will still have an option once we are done with the NT8. If you want to stay on NT7, we can do the license for you on NT7, and if you want the license on NT8, that's very fine. But right now, the advantage of it, you can have both. As you see right now, the Microsoft Corporation has hit the daily target, not the daily target, but the target from that signal 61.19, and the entry price and the target was 94. This is a beautiful target. And then we have the United Technology, 30 ticks. This is not bad for 30 ticks. And I saw one is flashing. I don't know, now it went south. I don't know. But there is one has, oh, there, here it is the JP Morgan hit the target with a 31 ticks, and this is a beautiful. Folks, excuse me. I wish you the best, and I'm really surprised with the market this week. This market was working beautifully, and usually I'm not interested in the market between the Christmas and between Thanksgiving and Christmas, but I know the market can be sometimes hard on us. But when I want to get generous, can really get generous, and we have some traders took that trade today and nailed 5,000 euro, and they are closing their computer permanently until next year. So God bless you all. Be safe. The market looking very good, and we have a rollover tomorrow. And please remember, stay safe. See you all next time. Bye.